Coming to today's video, it is about of Directory of Medical Education Assam government has released its staff nurse recruitment, which around of 484 vacancies there, and this notification is starting from 1st October, and it will be available up to 7th October. Okay, it is a completely online application mode where you can apply this vacancies through online. Okay, now, what the thing is, those peoples who are looking government jobs in medical department, they can reach out to this recruitment. It is very helpful to them, and the job of the post name is the staff nurse. It's around of 484 vacancies, and the starting date was I already told, right. It was already started from the October 1st, and the mode of application is online. So I'll drop out the all important links in the below description, as well as the eligibility criteria in the below description. You can check it out there. So if you go dig into the deep inside the notification, they're asking about the educational qualification minimum is the candidate should have their BSc nursing and NGM and a diploma from a recognized government institute or university in India level. So it may be central or state level education is okay, but ensure the minimum qualification they're asking is a BSc nursing and GEN and a diploma for the minimum qualification of DME Assam staff nurse recruitment. Okay, so while going to age limits, the minimum age is estimation around of 18 years and the max should be 40 years. It should not be more than 40 years and it should not be less than 18 years as per the DEM Assam staff nurse recruitment notification. Okay, the candidates who are willing to apply these jobs should be in between 18 to 40 years. Okay, and probably they should have the qualification of BSc nursing and GENM and a diploma from a recognized government. So coming to the selection process for this Assam DEM recruitment, so there will be one written test, and again after the written test, there will be a document verification. What in the sense of document verification is, when you got qualified in the written test, there will be the next round. The officials will check your original documents, like your 10th, 12th plus and diploma, whatever the educational documents you have, that ID proofs and everything will be verified there. That comes under on the document verification. So you make sure, while going to the document verification time, so carry all the documents along with you. So coming to the salary thing, so nearly they're expecting in between to 14,000 to 60,000 as per month. So in the sense of 60,000 means if you have any experience on there and you applied for the BSc nursing, I mean, if you have any private experience in the BS nursing, you have a certification, you done any certification on that. If you go with the this government recruitment, your salary will be approximately in between of 15 to 60,000. As a fresher, if you joined, the selected candidate will be get 14,000 as the minimum thing for this. So coming to the application fees, there will be some caste-wise application fees as per the Assam government. You can check it out the application fees in the notification. I'll drop out the notification link in the below description. So you know, right, how to apply the application portal. You need to log in with the website, and you need to search for the staff nurse recruitment there, and open and read it very well, and fill the form as per the requirements they're asking, and recheck it once you're done with it all, and click on this final submitted. Like, keep remember the last date of this online application form is October 7, 2020, right? So overall, I just want to tell that this is a Director of Medical Education Department, which related to the Assam government. This notification is completely related to the Assam state peoples who are willing to join in government jobs as a staff nurse in government side. There are nearly 484 staff nurse jobs are under for critical care was released. So don't miss this opportunity. Just grab it. All the links will be available in the below description. We'll catch in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.